Lifestyle changes can help improve your cholesterol, and boost the cholesterol-lowering power of medicines. By Mayo Clinic staff, high cholesterol increases your risk of heart condition and heart attacks. Medications can help improve your cholesterol. But if you'd rather first make lifestyle changes to enhance your cholesterol, try these 5 healthy changes. If you already take medications, these changes can improve their cholesterol-lowering effect. 1. Eat heart-healthy foods. A few changes in your diet can reduce cholesterol and improve your heart health. Reduce saturated fats. Saturated fats, found primarily in meat and full-fat dairy products, raise your total cholesterol. Decreasing your consumption of saturated fats can reduce your LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. Eliminate trans fats. Trans fats, sometimes listed on food labels as partially hydrogenated oil, are often utilized in margarines and store-bought cookies, crackers and cakes. Trans fats raise overall cholesterol levels. The Food and Drug Administration has banned the utilization of partially hydrogenated vegetable oils by January 1, 2021. Eat foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids don't affect LDL cholesterol. But they need other heart-healthy benefits, including reducing vital sign. Foods with omega-3 fatty acids include salmon, mackerel, herring, walnuts and flax seeds. Increase soluble fiber. Soluble fiber can reduce the absorption of cholesterol into your bloodstream. Soluble fiber is found in such foods as oatmeal, kidney beans, Brussels sprouts, apples and pears. Add whey protein. Whey protein, which is found in dairy products, may account for several of the health benefits attributed to dairy. Studies have shown that whey protein given as a supplement lowers both LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol, also as vital sign. 2. Exercise on most days of the week and increase your physical activity. Exercise can improve cholesterol. Moderate physical activity can help raise HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. Together with your doctor's OK, work out to a minimum of half hour of exercise 5 times every week or vigorous aerobic activity for 20 minutes 3 times every week. Adding physical activity, even briefly intervals several times each day, can assist you begin to reduce. Consider taking a brisk daily walk during your lunch hour, riding your bike to figure, playing a favorite sport to stay motivated. Consider finding an exercise buddy or joining an exercise group. 3. Quit smoking. Quitting smoking improves your HDL cholesterol level. The advantages occur quickly. Within 20 minutes of quitting, your vital sign and pulse get over the cigarette-induced spike. Within 3 months of quitting, your blood circulation and lung function begin to enhance. Within a year of quitting, your risk of heart condition is half that of a smoker. 4. Reduce carrying. Even a couple of extra pounds contributes to high cholesterol. Small changes add up. If you drink sugary beverages, switch to water. Snack on air-popped popcorn or pretzels, but keep track of the calories. If you crave something sweet, try sherbet or candies with little or no fat, like jelly beans. Look for ways to include more activity into your daily routine, like using the steps rather than taking the elevator or parking farther from your office. Take walks during breaks at work. Attempt to increase standing activities, like cooking or doing yard work. 5. Drink alcohol only carefully. Moderate use of alcohol has been linked with higher levels of HDL cholesterol, but the advantages aren't strong enough to recommend alcohol for anyone who doesn't already drink. If you drink alcohol, do so carefully. For healthy adults, meaning up to at least 1 drink each day. For ladies of all ages and men older than age 65, and up to 2 drinks each day for men age 65 and younger. Too much alcohol can cause serious health problems, including high vital sign, coronary failure and strokes.